Yep, welcome back to another trade recap. Hope you guys are enjoying your Tuesday. We're gonna go over why I took this trade here. Put it up. I took this trade here, and we're gonna go over what went wrong, why I looked at wrong, and that's basically it. Let's go to ES, and we'll go start from the daily. Oh, actually, start from the weekly for value gap. Daily, we have inversed these for value gaps and traded above and closed above the new day or new week opening gap. So I'm looking for higher targets. Then again, you can see this as consolidation. We're trading inside this range. I think today I was leaning more towards the reversal sort of idea instead of the consolidation idea, which is where I went wrong in my opinion. If we go to the hourly, this morning we had overnight taken out this buy side here, so S&T. We then formed this fair value gap. We completely run through it, coming into these relative equal lows. This is your sell side as well. We take that, go to the 5 minute. We have a model market short shift for a value gap, and we have the consequent encroachment that we tapped into at New York Open. So what did I do wrong here? Since it's a consolidation market, I should be looking at the nearest and most obvious liquidity pools. What is that? We have our buy side up here. We've taken it. Sell side rests here now. For a value gap coming into this low and these lows down here. Same thing, this low, these lows down here. Over here, we form relative equal lows, further pulling our sell side. And that should have been the, in my opinion, lowest hanging fruit. But today is a 8:30 news day, so orange folder. I think it could come lower into there. And it did do that, but didn't take anything off of that because I was bullish in the beginning. And I think MNQ, if we go to MNQ, I go to the 1 minute chart, we reached the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap, but we didn't on MNQ, sorry. So if you guys can look at my cursor, we reached MNQ, we reached the consequent encroachment on NQ, but not MNQ. And caused me to crash out a little bit. I didn't take any other trades, but just decided to stop there because I felt like I was going to be a bit in all fairness, I think this might have been a trade where I should not have taken. Why? Because, well, didn't really need to trade up into that value gap. We could have rejected off of this low and just dumped from there. We didn't have to come back into consequent encroachment. And I think I was just a bit lucky there that it did tap that 0.5 area. So what could I have done differently? Well, on the 1 minute chart, zoom in here. We have a fair value gap, short shift, and then again, short shift, fair value gap right there, that does get filled. And the ultimate relative equal lows, which is taken there. Re-entries could have been used. So if we go to the 5 minute, we have a fair value gap right here, which aligns with the old swing low. And also, if we look at the sell side here, this old swing low as well, and you can see how we respect that level. For value gap, we are bearish coming into the day, swing low here, and we also have our daily CB low, which is what we're respecting. Taking out sell side, and again, this is consolidation markets, not a trending market. So could look for the lowest hanging fruit, which is the sell side here, or lowest hanging fruit there. You could also use this Sunday gap. You guys can see kind of in that area, but we're using the bigger one, which is this. Stop was at the high here. Entry was here. So if we go to our paper account, I did take this on paper. You can see short one there. I realized a bit late that I tapped this old swing low and come into these fair value gaps, and these were the executions. In the daily CP low, could have had a partial here at the new week opening gap low, but I wasn't really paying attention to it that much. So yeah, the overall review for the day, I think I was offside today, and I'm gonna go back in my live stream, see what I wrong, and yeah, basically it. think had I been short after we tapped this swing high, after we tapped the RE for value gap, I have taken any entries here. No, I couldn't have. I mean, maybe this for value gap, but it's not very convincing. This wick makes it less convincing. So after we tap that consequent encroachment, value gap, the model does appear obvious on the 3-minute. Does it for value gap, shorting towards this daily CB low. Targets are likely the new week opening gap low, the sell side below here. Could have had one more drawn liquidity or target. Never mind. Anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed that market review. See you guys in the next one. Peace.